Corn. Corn or maize was first cultivated in Mexico about 10,000 years ago and later spread to different parts of the world. In some countries it is called as maize and some others call it corn. There are 6 major types of corn. They are popcorn, flour corn, pod corn, dent corn, flint corn, and sweet corn. Corn is consumed by humans mostly in the form of masa or cornmeal, but it is also used to prepare corn ethanol, animal feed, and other corn products, such as corn starch, corn flour, and corn syrup. Sweet corn are usually grown for human consumption as kernels, and the field corns are used as animal feed. It is also used in making corn oil, in fermentation and distillation to prepare alcoholic beverages like bourbon whiskey, and in chemical industry. It is also used in making ethanol and other biofuels. Do subscribe to this channel. Corn flour versus corn starch. Corn flour and corn starch both come from corn. Corn flour is yellow or white powder made from dried corn, whereas corn starch is made from its endosperm. Both differ in their nutrient value, flavor, and uses. Corn flour is just like any other flour, but corn starch is used as a thickener in food. There are 2 types of corn flours, yellow and white. Yellow corn flour is made from yellow corn kernel and white is made from white corn kernel. These are interchangeable. The yellow color of the corn is because of beta-carotene, which gets converted to vitamin A during digestion. Cornmeal is coarsely ground corn which is gritty. It is usually used to make cornbread but cannot be used instead of corn flour. Corn flour tastes like corn, earthy and sweet, but corn starch is flavorless and adds thickness to food and not taste. Corn flour contains fiber, starch, proteins, vitamins, and minerals as found in whole corn, whereas corn starch does not contain fiber and protein because it is made from the starchy endosperm. It is more refined. Corn flour also contains vitamin B, magnesium, iron, and several other nutrients, whereas corn starch does not contain vitamin B and contains only small amount of other nutrients, so corn starch is only a carbohydrate. Corn flour can be replaced for wheat flour and all-purpose flour made in baking bread, pancake, pastries, waffles, etc. to get a corn taste. Similarities: both are made from corn, both are gluten-free, so people with gluten allergy can use it. Differences: corn flour is made from whole corn kernel, but corn starch is made from endosperm. Corn flour has vitamins, minerals, iron, magnesium, protein, fiber, and other nutrients. Corn starch does not contain vitamins and fiber. Corn flour has flavor, but corn starch is flavorless. Corn flour can be used in baking, but corn starch is used only as thickening agent. Corn flour in USA is maize flour in UK. Both are same and their names are interchangeable. The name corn is commonly used in USA and North America, whereas maize is used in UK. Corn starch in the USA is corn flour in UK. Here there is no space between the words corn and flour. It is one word. Please do subscribe.